Located about 40 kilometers outside Balochistan's provincial capital of Quetta, this is Saranan camp, the largest out of 12 Afghan refugee camps in the province. Hosting more than 30,000 residents, the population of Saranan has steadily increased since 1986 when it was established. There are nearly 8,000 children under the age of 5 living in unforgiving conditions. Scarcity of resources and ever-growing poverty often leaves small children exposed to extreme circumstances.
All the children at the camp cannot go to school because there are a lot of problems at the camp. When 40 students get admitted in the first grade, only 10 to 15 students reach the 12th grade. Because of the financial problems, thousands of students have to let go of their studies and they start working from a young age.
This is a high school at the Saranan Afghan refugee camp, and it holds a capacity of 1,100 students, but authorities fear that the number of enrollment is falling significantly every year because most of these children work alongside their parents to make their ends meet. The children are forced to work after school. Each child gets a mere 30 cents for a day's work at the brick kiln, working under the scorching sun, lifting heavy bricks for hours on end.
I'm 11 years old. My father has passed away. I am compelled to work. That is why I study and work at the brick kiln. There is no money in my house.
We go to the brick kiln to work and earn 30 rupees every day. There is no one to earn in the house except me. I'm the only one who works, and I try to make ends meet.
I have a family of 12 people. We are extremely poor. I study in the morning and work in the evening. My father is alive, but he is too old to work.
Inside the Saranan camp, 6 schools have been established, but almost all seem deserted, and the ones that are operational have meager resources. What does stand out is an ostentatious display by the United Nations as one enters the school.
At this time, we are facing a lot of problems in education. We don't have stationery. We don't have books for grades 9, 10, 11, and 12. This was all the responsibility of the United Nations. Through the media, the UN is showing the world that they are helping us. This is all wrong. We are barely provided with any help.
A UN education campaign launched in the year 2000 aimed to provide education for all by the year 2015, with pledges from 164 countries. With that goal unmet, UNICEF's new Education Cannot Wait campaign is hoping to raise nearly $4 billion to reach children living in crisis situations over the next 5 years. For now, the thousands of children living in Afghan refugee camps continue to wait. Danial Khan, CCTV, Saranan Camp, Balochestan, Pakistan.